quick and easy Asian beef bowls. You want to see how I made them? Let's get to it.
Let's go!
Hello OFT family. Tonight we are making the quick and easy dish for the week, which is Asian beef bowls. So I started to brown a pound of ground beef with about a quarter of an onion chopped and 2 cloves of garlic minced. So I got my ground beef all browned up here in the pan. So for the sauce, which is the most important part, at least in my book, we have 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Add that to our cup. We've got 2.5 tablespoons of soy sauce. We've got a tablespoon of rice wine vinegar. We've got a tablespoon of hoisin sauce. That in there. Then we have a teaspoon and a half of sesame oil. So I'm going to give that a good whisk and I'm going to add that to the beef. Get that all mixed up real good. And we're going to add that to the beef and we're going to let that cook and get familiar with each other for about 5 or 6 minutes. Hi, we are back with our Asian beef bowls. They are done. And I just fixed them with my favorite jasmine rice from Trader Joe's, of course. And then I've got some garlic buttery green beans to go with them. Look how cute that little bowl looks.
Fancy.
It is kind of, well, it's not fancy. I mean, this meal was done in like 20 minutes.
Quick and easy.
Quick and easy. So I'm gonna put some sesame seeds on mine. You don't have to if you don't want to, of course. And if you don't like green beans, you can serve her with broccoli or whatever vegetable you like. So I'm gonna give her a try.
Let's go!
Oh, the captain's still wearing his St. Patrick's Day hat, folks. This is really good. I did put a little sriracha in mine because I like a little bit of sweet heat. In case you taste the sesame oil, the soy sauce, the hoisin, perfectly cooked, the onions and the garlic. This is a really good, quick and easy, high protein meal. Let's try our green beans. Oh, they're good. Garlicky and buttery and still crispy to the taste. Very good, guys. Make this for your quick and easy next time you're looking for a quick and easy meal. As always, wherever you are today, you are loved, you are blessed, and you are part of our family table. Bye for now.